Okay, everyone. Okay, let's start with our problem solving. Number 21. Octavius has 8 identical blue socks, 6 identical red socks, 4 identical black socks, and 2 identical orange socks in his drawer. If he randomly selects 2 socks from his drawer, what is the probability that they will be the same color? Express your answer as a common fraction. Okay, you think about it. Okay, you figure out how many socks are there. Okay, you have what? 8 blue socks, 6 red socks, 4 black socks, 2 orange socks. Okay, your added total will be 20. So he randomly selects 2 socks from his drawer. And we want to find the probability that what's the chance that you will get 2 socks of the same color. Same color means, okay, 2 blue socks or 2 red socks or 2 black socks or 2 orange socks. So, of course, there's only one way to get 2 orange socks. Okay, if we choose 2 from here, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, 6. You get 6 choices. But okay, so we'll count. So that's what we will do here. Okay. So for the total is you choose 2 socks from 20 socks. So how many ways we can choose 2 socks? So here we have a formula here. That's okay. This formula denotes the number of ways to choose 2 objects from 20 objects. So we'll choose 2 from 20. Okay, or this is 20 choose 2. This will be 20 times 19 over 2. So why? Because here, let's say we have 20 socks. Okay, let's say they are different. They are all different. If we choose 20 socks, choose 1 from those 20 socks, there will be 20 choices. So you choose 1, okay, you have 20 choices. Then the second sock, because you have only 19 left, so you have 19 choices for the second sock. So the total number of choices will be 20 times 19. Okay, that's multiplication rule. Okay, you have the fourth sock, you have 20 choices. Then after you have chosen the first one, you have 19 socks to choose from for the second choice. So it's 20 times 19. But wait, okay, you need to divide it by 2. Why? Because, okay, let's say you have 2 socks. The first one is A, the second one is B. Okay, you might choose the first one as A, the second one as B, or you might choose the first one as B, second as A. So that two, the pair will be the same. Okay, so here we chose 2. That means the order doesn't matter. So that's why we divide by 2. Okay, you factor out the order here. So 20 times 90 divided by 2. That will be this number, 20 choose 2. Okay, that will be 190 ways to choose 2 socks from a drawer of 20 socks. Okay, that's the total number of ways to choose 2 socks. But we also want the number of ways that you will get 2 socks of the same color. So what? We will count the number of ways that 2 socks will be both blue and not blue. So here, okay, choose 8 from 2. That will be blue. That's a typo here. Choose A choose 2. You have A sock, you choose 2 from here. It will be same manner. It will be 8 times 7 divided by 2. That will be 28 ways to choose 2 blue socks. Okay, and the number of ways you will get 2 red socks will be 6 choose 2. So it's 6 times 5 divided by 2. So it's easy to memorize this. That will be 6 times the next number, then divided by 2. It's 15. Okay, 15 ways to choose 2 red socks. So total mess here. So that's red, sorry. Okay, and 4 chose 2. Okay, you have 4 black socks and choose 2 of them. The number of ways will be 4 times 3 over 2. That's 6 ways to choose 2 black socks. Because, okay, that's blue and that is red. And there's only one way to choose 2 socks. And you add them up, okay, add them up, 28 plus 15 plus 6 plus 1 will be 50. So that means you have 50 ways to get a pair of socks with the same color. And divided by the total number of ways to choose 2 socks, that will be the probability here. So you simplify it, it's 5 or 19. Number 22. Uniki has large, medium, and small metal bars. The large bars each weigh 8 kilograms. The medium bars each weigh 6 kilograms. The small bars each weigh 3 kilograms. Okay. Iron, nickel, and lead are present in the ratio of 4 to 1 to 3 in each large bar, 2 to 1 to 3 in each medium bar, and 1 to 1 to 1 in each small bar. If Uniki wants to smelt together a combination of bars to make an alloy that contains 40 kilograms of iron, 20 kilograms of nickel, and 40 kilograms of lead, how many small bars will she have to use? Oh man, this makes me headache. And you notice that there are too many numbers, too many variations, like the number of bars of each kind, then the each kinds of ingredients like iron, nickel, lead. Okay, so this makes me headache. This makes me headache here. So what? Okay, we will just think about this. If we just let's see here. If this is too random, there will be terrible question here. So what? Let's find something useful here. Let's look at the small bar. Okay, small bar 3 kilograms. And how about here? One each small bar. That is very helpful here. Okay, so that means the iron, nickel, and lead presented in 1 to 1 to 1. So that means the total is 3 kilograms. So in each small bar, the iron will be 1 kilogram, and the nickel will be 1 kilogram, lead will be 1 kilogram. That's very helpful here. And look at the other ones. That's for large bar, it will be 4 to 1 to 3. Look at 4 plus 1 plus 3 is 8. That's a good observation here. So that means you have 4 kilograms of iron, 1 kilogram of nickel, and 3 kilograms of lead here. And how about this one? 6 kilograms. The numbers are good here, 2 to 1 to 3. And the total is also 6 here. So the numbers are good. Okay, so we need to use this. We need to use this here. So look at here. And this is too complicated, okay, to do any mental calculation. So what? We'll do some algebra. That will be easy here. No brainer algebra. You just, let's say, okay, we assume that our answer would be x. Okay, so if you don't know the answer, usually say that, oh, whatever you ask is x. That's pretty good here. So how many small bars will she have to use? Answer x. Okay, x. But that's not enough, okay, to get what is x. What is x? We need to find x. So this is our puzzle here. And here we give this number, the lame x, what's next? We assume that the number of medium bars will be y, okay? And how about that? The number of large bars with z. So here x, y, z. Okay, we have three numbers, but we only need to find the x. Okay, so that's okay. We give those three numbers names. So we will use those to find some relation here. Okay, let's see here. Uh, okay, we will see here the total number of total amount of iron will be 40 kilograms. Okay, that's the one clue here. We know that there's 1 kilogram here, and for this one we have 2. For this one we have 4. Okay, 4 kilograms of iron here. So what? Okay, we know that's x small bars. So that's okay, x small bars. Each bar has 1 kilogram of iron. So that's 1 times x. And here you have 2 kilograms iron. You have way many of this. So 2 times y. And here each one contains 4 kilograms of iron. And you have z bars. So 4 times z. That will be total amount of iron in the mixture. Okay, so it will be 40. So you have 40 here. We will use this information here. 20 kilograms of nickel in the alloy. So that means okay, you have x of this. So x. Okay, you have y of this. Look at here. The median here, middle is 1 kilogram here. So 1 times y. For this one, you also have 1 kilogram of nickel in here. So 1 times y is you get x plus y is 20. So that's a very simple equation here. How about this one? 20 kilogram of nickel in the alloy. Okay, that's good here. So that means we will see the total amount of lead. Okay, well, 40 kilograms of lead. Okay, x here. Okay, you have 1 kilogram lead in here. X bars. And you have y medium bars, and each one you have 3 kilograms of lead. So 3 times y. You have z large bars, and each one you have what? 3 kilograms of lead. So 3 times z will be total amount of lead. So you have 3 equations. That's okay. That's the clue here. So 3 equations and it's 3 variables. In general, we should be able to find the value for every one of them. So let's start to solve those equations here. Look at here. If you subtract this one from the first one, because here you have x, here you have x. So the first one subtract the second one, you will get this gone. Okay, 2y minus y is y. 4z minus z, 3z equal 20. So you get this equation. You eliminate the variable x. Okay, look at here. The second one, third one, they both have x. So if I subtract, I also will eliminate x. So okay, 3y minus y, 2y, 3z minus z, 2z, 40 minus 20 is 20. So I also get this. Okay, and let's simplify this. Okay, divide both sides by 20, you get y plus z equal 10. You get this equation, and this equation also, look at here. Both of them has y, so you subtract this one from that one. 4 minus 6. You get 3z minus z is 2z. 20 minus 10, 10. You get 2z equals 10. z equal 5. Okay, once you find z equal 5, we'll put this back in here, z equal 5, so y equal 5. Once you get y equal 5, okay, from here, y equal 5, z equal 5, so x equal 10. So that's our answer here, because we assume that x is a number small bars that you have to use. Okay, so x answer is 10. Okay, number 23. If x plus 1 over x equals 3, what is the value of x to the power of 4 plus 1 over x to the power of 4? Okay, it looks like if we take the fourth power of both sides, okay, if we take the fourth both sides, you should get this one. But the problem is here that a to some power plus is that the sum of something you take the power, like a plus b to the power of 4. It's not a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4. So you don't do that. Okay, for example here, if you have a plus b, then parenthesis square, it's not a square plus b square. Instead, it's a square plus 2ab plus b square. So remember that. Okay, so we need to be careful here. Okay, you might get the answer if you take the fourth power of both sides, but when you simplify the fourth power of this, it's not just simply this. So that's the key here. So in order to not make any mistakes, we take the square of both sides first, okay? Because we know the formula. Take the square of a sum, like a plus b squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So we take the square of both sides, okay? What do we get? Okay, you square both sides, and the left side is x squared plus 2 times this, then plus 1 over x squared. Okay, the right side is 9. But the left side here is good here. The middle term, x times 1 over x, the same as x over x, which is 1. Okay, that is 1, so it's good here. So you get x squared plus 2 plus 1 over x squared equals 9. And move this to the other side, you get x squared plus 1 over x squared equals 7. So that's good here. So if you can find the value of x squared plus 1 over x squared, giving x plus 1 over x, of course, you can do the same thing to find the x fourth power plus 1 over x fourth power. So that's what we will do here. You square both sides again. Okay. Then you see that the middle term also will be a constant. There's no x because the x squared 1 over x squared here will be cancelled. So we get x to the fourth power plus 2 plus 1 over x to the fourth power equals 49. Move this to the other side. You see that the answer is 47. So this is pretty cool here. Yeah. Okay, look at number 24. Points C and D are chosen on the sides of right triangle A, B, E. So it's A, B, E. And this is a 90-degree angle, right angle. As shown, such that the four segments AB, okay, BC, CD, DE, each have length 1. So it's already marked here. Okay, they all have length 1. It's good. Okay, so we know they are 1. What is the measure of angle BAE? So we need this one. We need this one here. Express your answer as a decimal to the nearest tenth. So usually, if you see this in Mathcounts, that means it's not a whole number. The answer will not be a whole number. So you find a whole number, that would be wrong. Yeah. So that's a clue here. But how can we find the answer here? Okay. Those are equal. So we have a clue here. If you have a triangle, two sides have the same length, we know it is called an isosceles triangle. Okay, for an isosceles triangle, the two angles, the two angles opposite to the two equal sides will be the same. Okay, they have the same degrees. So in that case, okay, because we cannot find the answer here, it's not obvious. What we will do is assume that x. Assume that what we want to find is x. Okay, so what? It's x. X is what we want to find. But here we have isosceles triangles. So here that's also x. Okay, that's also x. How about this angle? We know, okay, because this angle is 90 degree, and the sum of the three angles in any triangle is 180 degree. So if this is 90 degree, so that means this angle and this angle, they have a total 90. Okay, so if this is x, this one will be 90 minus x. So we should remember that. Okay, the sum of these three angles in any triangle is 180 degrees, or in a right triangle, the sum of the two acute angles will be 90 degrees. So here's x, and this one will be 90 minus x. Okay, look at here. This is also an isosceles triangle. So if this is 90 minus x degrees, this angle is also 90 minus x. Okay, isosceles triangle. And can we find this one? Okay, this one, this angle will be the same as the sum of the two angles here. Why? Because look at here, this angle plus this angle is 180 degree. Okay, this angle plus this angle is 180 degree. But this angle plus those two angles is also 180 degree because they are in a triangle here. So that's why this angle will be sum of those two angles. So if you observe that, this one will be 90 minus x plus 90 minus x is 180 minus 2x. Okay. Then look at here. They are the same. So that's also an isosceles triangle. So this angle is also 100 minus 2x. So if we assume the answer is x, we find out this angle is 180 minus 2x. How about this angle? That angle is also 180 minus x because the total of the three angles is 180. So this is 180 minus x is 180 minus 2x. But this is a 90 degree angle here. So this plus that, okay, should be 90. Should be 90. And this gives us an equation to find the x here. So you add 180 minus 2x, this one, 180 minus 2x, that one, add it together, it should be 90. So you solve this, look at here, we will move this negative 2x to the right side, you get 4x, okay, move this to the left side, okay, 180 minus 90 is 90, 90 plus this, 270. 4x equals 270, divided both sides by 4, you get x equals 67.5. And that's the answer. Number 25. A restaurant sells 3 sizes of drinks, small for $1.20, medium for $1.30, and large for $1.80. Each person at a table of 10 ordered one drink for a total cost $14.90. Before sales tax, how many people ordered a large drink? Okay, and think about this. There are 10 people, okay, on a table, at a table there, and each one ordered one drink. Okay, so that means exactly one drink. And the 3 count drinks, okay, smaller one is $1.20, medium one is $1.30, and larger one $1.80. So for a total cost $14.90 before sales tax, how many people ordered a large drink? It looks like, okay, it looks like there's not enough information to find the answer here because you only know the total cost, okay, but there's okay, three variables like how many small drinks, how many medium drinks, and how many large drinks. But we also know one other condition, okay, the total amount, total okay, number of drinks will be 10 because you only have 10 people. So, so if you assume that X, let's do this better because the question asks how many people order the large drink. So you assume that the answer is X. Okay. So let's say you have X number and people order large drink. Then Y will be the number of people order the medium drink. And you can also assume that Z is the number of people ordered small drinks. But okay, one condition is X plus Y plus Z equals 10. Also, another condition is the total price. So it looks like there are only two conditions, okay? Three variables, so it will be hard. But don't be scared here because okay, the number of people ordering particular drink is that's an integer. That we put some okay, constraints there. That will help us. Okay. So what? We just go there. Okay. Okay. Just say that X people ordered a large drink. Okay. And Y people ordered a medium drink. So we translated the X plus Y plus Z as 10 minus X minus Y people ordered small drink. So we eliminated one more variable here. Okay. So the large people, okay, ordering the large drink, the number of people will be X. The number of people ordering small drink, medium drink is Y. Okay. Then 10 minus X minus Y will be the remaining people ordered a small drink. Okay. The total price for $14.90. So this will give us one equation here. Okay. The large drink costs $1.80. So 1.8 times X, and the medium drink costs $1.30. So 1.3 times Y, and the small drink costs $1.20. So 1.2 times 10 minus X minus Y is the total cost 14.9. Okay, to solve this, and you want to multiply both sides by 10 to get whole numbers here. Okay, whole numbers. So everything will be whole numbers, even the coefficients and also the variables X and Y. Let's simplify this. You will get an equation of X and Y. So simplify this, and 18 minus 12X, 6X, 13Y minus 12Y is Y. Okay, 149 minus 120 is 29. So you get this equation. 6X plus Y equals 29. But okay, that is a multiple 6. And if you divide this by 6, you get a remainder 4 because it's 24 plus 5, the remainder 5, sorry. You get a remainder 5. So that means Y, it should be a multiple 6 plus 5. Okay? But Y is a number between 0 and 10, inclusive. So it should be a 5 or like 11, okay, or even a negative number. That would be wrong. It cannot be a negative number. Y cannot be bigger than 10. So the only answer for Y is 5. Okay, if Y is 5, you see that X is 4. X equals 4. So the only possible solution for X is 4. Otherwise, Y would be more than 10. Or maybe Y be negative. That would be wrong. So We got the answer. Okay, that's all for today. And next time we will go to number 26. Stay tuned.